Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the JSL-w302 charged or plugged in and a clean mouthpiece. This prevents interruptions. Once done, remove the medication chamber and inspect the mesh for debris because a blocked mesh reduces aerosol output. Then measure your prescribed dose into the chamber. Use 0.5 to 5 ml as recommended and close it securely. Make sure to seat the chamber until it clicks so the device recognizes the load. If not, it won't atomize. Now you load and configure. Pour medication slowly into the chamber to avoid spills because air bubbles can change particle size. Once seated, attach the mouthpiece or the appropriately sized mask. Proper seal matters for delivery efficiency. Press the power button and select the delivery mode, continuous for steady therapy or intermittent for breath-synchronized treatment, so therapy matches your prescription. Pay attention to the LED indicators and subtle hum. They confirm mesh vibration and correct atomization rate. You begin treatment by inhaling calmly and steadily. Quick, shallow breaths reduce deposition, so slow, diaphragmatic breaths increase lung delivery. When the medication is finished, power off and disconnect power before cleanup. Empty residual fluid, rinse the chamber with warm water, and let all parts air dry to avoid microbial growth. If you see no mist, make sure the battery is charged, reseat the chamber, and gently clean the mesh with a 70% isopropyl swab. Do not scrub, because damage impairs performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.